Hi guys, welcome to Yayis Corner. It is the day after Christmas and I am determined to organize my closet. I'm starting with my purses. I am wiping them down. I use water wipes and then I use paper towels to just dry them off. So yeah, let me take you into my closet. This is pretty embarrassing. I'm gonna flip you over. Okay guys, yeah, this is my closet. It is a disaster. So I am determined to organize this today. If I don't complete it today, I at least today I want to get all my purses, all my accessories and shoes that I do want to get straightened out at least today, and then I'll move on to the clothes. Even though I did kind of purge my clothes the other day, I'll show you. I think I already showed you. So I have a rack going of clothes that I want to sell because as you can see, some of them still have tags on. So yeah, I don't know if I showed you my Christmas tree, did I? Yeah, this is my Christmas tree. Oh. And my little centerpiece here. Some Target finds over there as well. But anyways, yeah, so that is that is my goal for between today and tomorrow, is get all this sorted out. Hopefully this by next month will be gone. As you guys know, my husband had surgery, so this is where we're storing all our supplies. We are still dealing with that, so yeah. All right guys, I will try to show you my progress as the day goes by. Guys, it is 7 o'clock at night. I'm not done. Okay, so I put some extra shoes up here. These are hiking boots, water shoes, and little booties. And then some purses that I can lay flat. Organized all my sweaters and my jeans and my pants. These are some and these are some winter jackets. Okay, so here, what I did was I put my other purses inside these totes, okay? Then the purses that did not fit inside the totes, I put them separately. This here, these are wallets. Okay, and I cleaned everything. I wiped everything down with water wipes. These are wallets that I've already cleaned, and I still have this left to organize. All of this. So I did take out the booties and I put my sneakers in the bottom shelf. I do have to go through this because there's some shoes, like you see these heels are like, they've seen better days. I need to clean all these shelves, and yeah, I need to go through my jewelry in here. This is where I have my how do you call costume, like pricey costume jewelry. I have my other jewelry somewhere else in a safe. All my sunglasses. Then here are all my well, I think I have 2 shoulder bags here and the rest are clutches. I want to get rid of like 5 clutches. So yeah. Then this is little boxes that I still have left. This is all my hats and my brushes and my hair clips, blow dryers in there because it doesn't fit in my bathroom. So yeah, guys, I think I made some good progress today. And tomorrow I want to tackle, well, tomorrow morning we're going to the movies in the morning. Then we're going to go have lunch. But then in the afternoon, I'm going to tackle all of this, and that. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Hey, guys. Okay. I think this is day 3. I've been taking it slow. All right. Let's see. I've went ahead. These are some boxes up there, like some watch boxes that I really don't want to get rid of. I got rid of a lot of jewelry boxes that I was like, I don't know why I'm hanging on to this. That box is full of all my receipts for my purses, for my jewelry, everything's in there. These are empty jewelry boxes for for necklaces, which I do like. They're so sturdy. So yeah, so I've rearranged. I think I threw away like 15 pairs of shoes. A lot of heels I don't wear anymore, and you could already feel that the sole has been dried out and they're cracking. So the minute I do decide to put on heels for whatever reason, they're just gonna break up on me. So I put my hats up here. This has my hair dryer, my brushes, my curler, my straighteners, my steamer is in that little box. My iron, which I adore this iron, guys. I bought this on HSN, I think over 25 years ago, and this thing is still growing strong. Okay. I don't know if I showed you this. Well, I went to Target this morning and I swapped the ones I had. So I had these, which are, I think they're, yeah, these are, I want to say 12 by 4 by 6, and these are 9 by 6 by 3.5, and that's why I have 3 one on top of each other instead of having 3 of these, which took up more space. And these, for whatever reason, these, even though these are 6 inches or 6.5 across, same size, most of my sunglasses fit horizontally and I didn't have to like turn them. I'm not sure why. Maybe this feels maybe a little thinner than these, but they're both from Target. They're the Bright Room brand. So yeah, these feel a little thinner than the longer ones. So I put all my sunglasses in here with a little room to spare. So I put my SLGs in here. So these are my small wallets and my little pouches. And then these are my larger wallets, okay? These are wallets that I don't use anymore. They're large wallets. Don't really want to get rid of, well, I do want to maybe sell 2 of them and hang on to the other 2. I'm hanging on to this because I might move some of my little pouches in here because I want to get some zippy wallets. Yeah. Anyways, so here's all my costume jewelry and some of the stuff that I do use like on a daily basis, like some of my good stuff. And I have like these little jewelry where you just drop in like little things. So I just want to be really organized. This is a cuff by Carolina Herrera. I love this cuff, but it doesn't fit in any. So I just keep it there. This is a little rock, which I love, which my husband and my son found on the beach in the shape of a heart. I love this. All right. Then I made a lot of room here. I got rid of 20 pairs of shoes. I mean, they weren't even donation worthy. So I'm not feeling bad about throwing them away because they were really bad. So yeah, got rid of a lot of sandals that were already old. There's still some there that are old, but I still want to hang on to them because I love them. So really the heels I wear, like these are the only heels I have, but I mostly wear wedges. And then these are all my flats, which these are all Sam Edelman. I love Sam Edelman flats. Had to get rid of a black suede pair that were already too old. And yeah, so my purses, guys, I want it. For the longest time, I was looking at the Demi Bean in this, I think it's called the Crochet. And they don't have it anymore. They have it, but with the braided handle, which I don't like at all. But I'm on the hunt to find, because I have found that this little bag, it is so perfect. It's how can I explain it? It's dainty. It's bigger than you think. Guys, so much stuff fits in here. It's dainty. You can wear crossbody. It is just the most adorable bag. And I'm on the hunt for that. There are a couple of bags that I am thinking of selling. So, for example, this one, I got it in St. Thomas, I think, or Grand Bahamas. I forget. I got it duty free, but I really don't. Maybe I should use it more. Maybe I should take it out more. Yeah. This one I don't use as much either. That was on a FOMO buy. Yeah, so right now I'm using my Never Full in Damier and Bean. But these are packed with other purses. Let me just show you. Well, this one's packed with my SLGs, my larger SLGs. This one has another bag in there. Anyways, yeah. I have all my, in here I have all my Longchamp, which I love those purses. So yeah, I think I'm gonna sell this one. That is a men's, wait, where am I pointing? Gosh, I can't even see. Okay, this one. That's a men's, like, what's on the go type book tote. I mean, it's gorgeous. It fits it, the quality, the leather. Oh my gosh. But I bought that when they said we had to go back to the office during COVID, and then we didn't. Something happened that we were like, no, you don't have to come back. And then I was like, because I was planning on taking all my office supplies with me, stuff that I need, because we were gonna have no permanent workstations. It was just gonna be like, you reserve the space and you bring all your stuff with you. I had my keyboard, so yeah. Anyways, so there are the two boots that I have. I don't have any other boots, which now I'm trying to think, what did I do with those boots? I guess I donated them. They were really pretty boots, but I just don't use them. But I do use those a lot. And then my hiking shoes, and then here I think I'm gonna put in my Lego boxes that I have in my other guest bedroom closet. These are other shoes that I probably, these two are heels. I'll probably sell those. Those are Sam Edelman flats. I don't want to get rid of those. I love them. I still, so here in this closet, we have a portable air conditioner. Yes. So when the lights go out or hurricane hits, this is a lifesaver. What else? I've gotten rid of some dresses. These are all like sweaters, jackets, some long sleeve dresses, cardigans, all my blouses, cotton blouses, my jeans, pants, and then this is really my outfit during the work week, which I need to start getting out of the habit of dressing like that, guys. I really need to spruce it up this year. I'm gonna get rid of some of these, or at least wear my pretty cashmere blend sweaters that I have up there. Gotta get rid of some of these sweatshirts. So cleared out the floor. This is my step ladder. So here I have, so in here are some boxes, like all my sunglass boxes. I'm still holding on to those. So yeah, they were all in that shelf. So then the clothes underneath in that box, that I need to sell. Then here I'm just gonna keep my iron board there, and then my ironing stuff there, but everything feels much more organized. It's just, I can come in here and breathe now. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration. And I'm not done going through this. I do have to go through all those cotton shirts and see what I'm still gonna keep and not gonna keep. But I'm feeling awesome about this. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.